ingredients. We only need sugar, water, food coloring, some clippies, and some wood sticks. First, I'm going to take 1 cup of water and pour it in like a bowl. I turned this on, but make sure to tell a parent to turn it on for you because you need safety first. We're gonna wait until the water is boiling. We need 3 cups of sugar. So I'm gonna put 1 cup of sugar. Well, it's until it's boiling, I'm gonna put it in. While we're waiting, I'm going to put the sugar inside. Now let's put it. Now I'm going to not put the second cup of sugar because first I'm going to mix it a little bit until it's dissolved. It's almost dissolved. Now I'm going to add the second cup of sugar. And again, I'm going to stir. Oh, that's so chunky on the first page. Don't forget to be careful because it's serious. Oh, it's boiling already. Ooh, I can see it boil. So don't forget to be very careful because hot sugar is kind of very dangerous for kids, like little kids, if they come and touch it and they're seriously burned themselves. And do not go very fast when you're mixing. Dissolve. This should be a very clear thing, so it it should not have any sugar in the water. It should be clear. So I'm still mixing because it's not clear. Oh. When you're making this, make sure it's clear and make sure it's boiling first, and then turn off the gas and let it cool down. After all the sugar is absorbed, you're going to turn off the gas and let it cool down. So we're not actually going to let it cool down like a long time until it's cold. We're going to make it until it's warm. While my syrup is cooling down, I'm going to prepare the wooden sticks. First, I'm going to put a stick in the water, and then I'm going to take a plate of sugar and then roll it all over the place. Like that. Then I'm going to dig that in. Alright. Take another one. Put it right here, actually. Put that one here. That one covered. Out. And this one not really. Right? So I'm going to redo this one. There. Then let's take this last piece and get it all in the sugar. And then boom. It's better if you leave the sticks 1 minute in the water and then put it in the sugar so it gets more of the sugar on the stick. It will look like this when it's done. It's sugar because the syrup is going to grow up. I'm going to add 3 kinds of food coloring and 1 is natural. Now I'm going to check my syrup, and it was very hot, so I'm going to wait a little bit more. Now that our syrup is all cooled down, we will put it 2/3 in the cup. Yellow and white, blue. the blue one looks cool. Alright, now I'm going to take my stick and put it like this, but make sure it's not touching the bottom. Right, and you're going to put a clip like this and close it like that. Now I'm going to take my other clip and open it up and put in the red. So like that. That is okay. Yes. And I'm going to take my other stick and take this one and put it in this like to hold this and put it like that. Now I'm going to take my other one and put it like that. There. That's so good. Ooh. Alright, now we're going to wait 5 days, so I'm going to come back when it's 5 days, so yeah. Alright guys, it's past 5 days and now I'm going to check my rock candy. So this is how it looks like. And now I'm going to take a metal spoon and then I'm going to open these clips and whoa, look at that. That looks so yummy. Now you're going to take another cup and then put your stick like that and let it dry because it's very wet and it won't make a mess. And alright, I'm going to do this with the white one. Ooh. Oh, that. Now I'm going to put it in a cup. Then let's take the clip and then clip it on and then boom. But that was the yellow. Okay, now let's do the red. Turn this so I can reach the red. And now let me first take this off so I can do it better. Alright, now it's pink! Oh, that's so pretty! Okay, I know. The clip is closed and it's hard to open. Let me just open it. There we go, and put that with the white and yellow. Now let's go for the last one, blue. Okay, let's take off the clips. And then I'm gonna break it. And then I'm pick it. Oh, that's a beautiful color. Look at that. Now let's let it dry. Put it here. And I always close the clips. There we go. Oh, look at that drops. It's like raindrops. Dry. It takes like a few seconds or minutes, and then you are just gonna taste it, and it's look very pretty. Oh my gosh,